Hello everyone, my name is Rizky Anugrah Pratama. My name is 442501116. I would like to present the material about the simple present tense. Simple present What is mean by the simple present tense? The simple present tense is a verb tense in English that is used to express action or even that occur repeatedly or routinely. Habits or situation that continue to exist at the present time. When is the present tense used? The present tense is used when someone wants to express an event or a general fact that is happening at the present time. In addition, the simple present tense is also used in conditional sensitive one and conditional sensitive type 1 patterns, followed by the simple future tense. Formula simple present tense. This formula consists of subject plus verb infinitive. In the positive form, the verb in its infinitive form does not change, except for the third person singular he, she, and it, where s or es is added. Example of simple present tense formulas. How to make simple present tense sentence? Here are the formulas you can use: plus affirmative, subject plus to be plus complement, negative, subject plus to be plus not plus complement, interrogative, to be plus subject plus complement. Example of simple present tense sentence. Affirmative, I am an international school student. Saya adalah seorang mahasiswa. Negatif, she is not an international school student. Dia bukan seorang mahasiswa. Interrogatif, is she an international school student? Apakah dia seorang mahasiswa? Verbal simple present tense. The formulas for the simple present tense tense in verbal sentence are as follow. Affirmative, subject plus verb 1 plus s or es plus complement. Negative, subject plus do or does not plus verb 1 plus complement. Interrogative, do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. As explained earlier, in a verbal sentence, you do not need to add to be after subject because the verb serves as the predicate. Therefore, when the subject is a third person singular, he, she, it, or a singular noun, certain verb must be added with s or es at the end. Positive or affirmative simple present tense. Just like nominal sentence, verbal sentence also have a positive form. As discussed earlier, example of simple present tense sentence: alive in Jakarta. Saya tinggal di Jakarta. He lives in Jakarta. Dia tinggal di Jakarta. Negative simple present tense. For negative and interrogative sentence, we use do or does or do not and does not. Example, I don't live in Bandung. Saya tidak tinggal di Bandung. She doesn't live in Bandung. Dia tidak tinggal di Bandung. We doesn't live and not doesn't lives. That's because the es ending is already included in doesn't, so the verb life stays in its base form and does not need any additional ending. Simple present, question or interrogative. In interrogative sentence, there are two main types. The first is the yes or no question form. Example, do I work? Apakah saya bekerja? Does he work? Apakah dia bekerja? As, as the name suggests, yes or no question can be answered simple with yes or no. Example of answer: yes, I do. Yes, he does. Ia dia bekerja. Yes, saya bekerja. Next. What are some example of simple present tense? Positive sentence. She wants to be a doctor. Dia ingin menjadi seorang dokter. Cows eat grass. Sapi memakan rumput. They speak English at the office. Mereka berbicara bahasa Inggris di kantor. Negative sentence. They don't have any money. Mereka tidak punya uang. Lala doesn't see Peter in the class. Lala tidak melihat Peter di kelas. My best friend doesn't love you. Sahabatku tidak mencintaimu. Interrogative sentence. Do they talk a lot? Apakah mereka banyak bicara? Does he play tennis? Apakah dia bermain tenis? Does your father drink coffee? Apakah ayahmu minum kopi? That's all for my presentation, and thank you. Bye bye.